If the underfloor heating fails, the maintenance costs will be very high. So how should we accurately determine the fault? If the conveyor is overheated, how are technicians supposed to detect it in industrial production? If numerous maintenance tasks are required, how to improve the job efficiency? HIK Micro M Series thermal imaging camera helps you find potential issues. A highly sensitive HIK Micro vanadium oxide detector provides a distinct thermal vision of the target. Adjusting the manual focus ring allows seeing objects clearly at various distances. The camera automatically changes temperature measurement range based on the detected temperature of the target. The device supports both touchscreen and physical button operations. 25 Hz delivers smooth videos and measurements while panning across scenes or viewing moving targets. The laser pointer helps show the position of the center point on actual object. Seven color palettes give different choices to display the image. The built-in speaker gives the operator audio alert to high temperatures. Color highlight the area above or below or between out of the thresholds. Pull the trigger to capture thermal image. Leave a text annotation with the image. Leave an audio annotation with the image. Pull the trigger to record videos. Full screen measurement in virtue of different presets. Checks everywhere at the very first sight. Connect to mobile devices via built-in Wi-Fi to remote control the camera and quickly share images and videos through HIK Micro Viewer app. Included software HIK Micro Analyzer offers flexible ways to analyze thermographic information of captured pictures and generate reports.